Hi everyone, this is Romy with Villalux and welcome to the urbanization La Colina here in Javea on the Costa Blanca. So I'm here today to show you our latest listing. It is a very beautiful and stylish 5-bedroom villa. So this area is very nice. There's a lot of nature surrounding you. It is at less than 3 kilometers away from the Arnall beach, and it is also at only a few hundred meters to one of our favorite restaurants, El Campo, and of course the newly opened Flow. So I think we've spoken enough about the area. I will touch on a few points later on to this video. Let's head on and check out what the house looks like. So welcome to the property. So this villa is distributed over 2 separate levels. Upstairs you can find 3 bedrooms and downstairs an additional 2 bedrooms. And this property screams quality. It is so tastefully designed. We are now in the living room and it is a very nice and open space with a lot of natural light coming in. And we have this beautiful Tuscan stone accent wall together with the Tuscan stone fireplace, really giving this room a warm feeling. Now, my personal favorite of this room are these nicely framed picture windows. I mean, look at the view. It is so beautiful. You're surrounded by nature. You see the hills in the distance and the Cumbre del Sol mountain. And that's also where you can find the Lady Elizabeth School and on the foot of it, the new location of XIC College. Now here on my left-hand side, you can find the kitchen. That is very large as well. A lot of counter space, nicely decorated. And here we enter another space. So this could really be used as a dining room. A good sized table easily fits in here. The property also has gas central heating throughout and hot and cold air conditioning. And right here we have another very beautiful room. Now, this is an enclosed Naya. Very quality materials have been used here as well. We have this beautiful table. And what is really nice about this room is that you can open it up. So it is very useful in summer as well as in winter, because believe it or not, during the winter time, this room heats up the entire house. Again, I was just saying it is very beautifully decorated, nice quality materials. The balustrades are actually made of marine quality stainless steel. So this property, I mean, it has it all. Let's go and have a look what one of the rooms looks like. So the master bedroom. So right when you walk in, you see that there's a lot of wardrobe space. You even have a his and a her side. And the room is a very good size. You have this queen size bed still with a lot of space around it. And of course we again have this beautiful Tuscan stone accent wall. So also this bedroom has a nice framed picture window with this gorgeous view. And the villa is south facing. And because of that, you got all this beautiful natural light coming in. So right here we have the ensuite bathroom. I love the materials they've chosen, the contrast between the wood and the white. There's a double sink, a jacuzzi bathtub, and it's just a good size again, really feeling like a spa in your own home. So let's go downstairs. And right here we have the driveway leading up to the garage and the carport. So there's a lot of space to park your car and for storage. I'm going to show you the lower level of the villa, but before that I would like to stop here at the pool terrace. Now first of all, we got this very beautiful Bali style gazebo. It looks so relaxed and I'm sure that it actually is. And we have another lounge set right here. It is such a tranquil space here with this amazing view. So this garden wraps all around the house. The plot size is 1210 square meters, so it's a good size. And right here we have this beautiful heated kidney-shaped pool, which is recently retiled and regrouted. It's very well maintained. Right here we have the door leading into the lower level. I'm going to get to that shortly. First I would like to show you the other areas. Right here we have an outside kitchen equipped with a barbecue. It looks very inviting and another nice lounge set. Now let's go back inside to show you what the lower level looks like. So here we are on the lower level of the villa, and I right away want to point out that what's really good about this is that you actually have high ceilings, and that doesn't but isn't always the case on lower levels of properties here in Spain. So we get welcomed by a nice lounge area, and on this lower level you can find 2 additional bedrooms. Right here is one of them. It's a double bedroom, again with windows, this beautiful view, and this has a timber cladded wall, so it looks very nice. A lot of details, very thoughtfully designed, just like upstairs. There's the other bedroom right here. It's a nice room as well, a lot of space. It has an ensuite and it also has direct access to the pool terrace at the front. Last but not least, the sun deck. So you got different seating areas here. You got the fire pits, the lanterns. This is a perfect place to finish the day, especially with that view, and also to finish off this video. So if you've been watching this video and you have any other questions about this property, don't hesitate to get in touch with us via email or phone call. And of course, as always, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with our latest videos.